Hi all, I just wanted to show you that there is a Brightspace app called Pulse where you can get all the announcements through notifications directly to your phone. The app looks like this, Pulse. If you don't have it on your phone, you can install it from the Play Store or Apple Store. You can go to the Play Store, type in Pulse app, and then it would look like this, Brightspace Pulse. Click on it, install it, and then you can open it by clicking on the icon. So the first time you see it, you have to log in with your CUNY credentials. Hit login, and then you'll go to the Pulse app. You'll see all the courses you registered for in this semester. Click on CRJ 715 and you will see the tiles, course information, and course documents. You can go to course information, look at all the items that you see on your computer. Going back, if you go to course documents, you can view everything here, all the lessons, and you can also take your assignments here. I do not recommend doing the exams or discussion boards on your phone, but you can do it. Scrolling down, you can go to each one of these items. You can watch the videos here. Going to the next item using the right arrow, you can navigate through the course this way. Going back, the one thing that I wanted to let you know is if you click on the icon on the top left side, you can go to settings, and then you can use push notifications or any of these notification options in order to get the notifications for any announcement that I make or any new content that I add to the course, so that this way you do not miss any of the assignments deadline. This was all. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day, everyone.